Very good morning, children. Just we were on the topic of yesterday on valuation of goodwill. In valuation of goodwill, we have studied or we knew the exact calculation of goodwill by using the average profit method. Yesterday, I would like to tell you by using the weighted average profit and super profit method. The valuation of goodwill, how the goodwill is valuated by using weighted average profit method, and how the goodwill is valuated by using super profit method. Now, what is weighted average profit? What is weighted profit? First, we have to calculate the weighted profit, weighted average profit. When the firm, sometimes firms assign the weight for the profit, and which is higher, that is taken into consideration by using the weight. Then, now come to the point, weighted average profit is equal to total of products of profit upon total of weight. Total of product profit, total of weight. This one is the formula. Total of product of profit is equal to whether the first year profit, suppose that this one is the first year profit 40,000 of 4 months, 40,000, 60,000 and 80,000. These are the profit for the third year. 3 consecutive years, 40,000 in first year, 60,000 in second year and 80,000 in third year. By this way, you can calculate the weighted average profit. Just this way you can calculate weighted average profit. Draw the table. Just you can write this way. Draw the table. Three columns drawn in the table. This one is the profit and this one is weight. And product. First year 40,000 profit, 1. Product is equal to 40,000 into 1, 40,000. Is it clear? Then second year 60,000. 60,000 second year. 60,000 into 2. The weight is 2 is equal to 1,20,000. Then third year profit is equal to 80,000. 80,000 into 3 is equal to 2,40,000. Now come to the total of product. Total of product and total of weight. Total total of product and total of weight. Total of product 0 0 0 0 0 4 equal to 4 lakhs. 40,000 40 48 1 3 4 lakhs, and the weight 3 to 1 is equal to 6. Total of the weight for 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. The average weighted profit is equal to total of product is upon weight. Total of weight 4 lakhs upon 6 is equal to 6 6 40, 6 6 36, 6 6 36, 6 6 36, 6 6 36. Just you can write this way: 66,667. This one is the average weighted profit. Weighted average profit is equal to 66,667. Whether the number of years purchased, goodwill is equal to the weighted average profit into number of years purchased. Suppose that is given for number of years 2 years. So multiply by 2. You can find the value of goodwill this way. The value of the goodwill will be 1,33,334. Remember, this one is the process of evaluating the goodwill by using the weighted average profit method. First, you have to calculate the weight preceding years. 40,000 first year profits multiply by 1, 40,000. 60,000 into 2 second year weight 1,20,000. 80,000 multiplied by 3 2,40,000. Total of products of profit. Total of products of profit is equal to 4 lakhs and total of weight is equal to 6. 4 lakhs upon 6 is equal to 66,667. That is the weighted average profit. And number of years purchased for the value, finding out the value of goodwill 2 years. So this one is multiplied by 2. The goodwill, the value of goodwill is equal to 1,33,334. Now come to the super profit method. First we have to know what is the super profit. Surplus and excess. Surplus and excess of the average profit earned by the similar industry, that is called the super profit. I mean to say in Hindi, बेटा जो एक्चुअली एवरेज प्रॉफिट है उस सेम इंडस्ट्री का, उससे अधिक यदि कोई फर्म प्रॉफिट अर्न करती है तो उसे ही सुपर प्रॉफिट कहा जाता है. सुपर प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एक्चुअल और एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट just the normal rate of return for the similar industry, whatever the capital invested by the firm, that is called the normal profit for the similar industry. So normal profit is equal to capital invested into normal rate of return. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. In the same question, a 4 months, 3 years profit. The profit for the 3 years is equal to first year 40,000, second year 60,000 and third year 80,000. The information this one given and the capital implied or capital invested by the firm is equal to 5 lakhs. Normal rate of return on capital, normal rate of return is equal to 10%. That is given 10%. For the valuation of goodwill, number of years given, number of years purchased, number of years purchased is equal to 2 years. Calculate the value of the goodwill by using super profit method. This one is the information of 4 months profit 40,000 first year, 60,000 second year and 80,000 third year. Capital invested by the firm is equal to 5 lakhs. The normal rate of return on capital employed is equal to 10% per annum. Number of years purchased for the valuation of goodwill is equal to 2 years. Now come to the point. First step involved. First we have to calculate the average profit of the firm. Average profit is equal to sum of profit of preceding years, means 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 80,000 upon 3. So it's equal to 1,80,000 upon 3 is equal to 60,000. This will be the average profit. सर्वप्रथम हम एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, ठीक है, 60,000 एंड देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. Capital invested 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into normal rate of return given 10%, 10 upon 100 is equal to 50,000. This one is the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to 50,000 and average profit is equal to 60,000. Whatever the average profit earned by the firm, 60,000 and normal profit is equal to 50,000. So come to the point. Just you have to calculate super profit is equal to super profit is equal to 60,000 minus 50,000 means super profit is equal to, this one is the formula given, actual or average profit minus normal profit. So 60,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 10,000. Number of years purchase given. 2 for the valuation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. So this one is the super profit 10,000 into 2 is equal to 20,000. That's the value of the goodwill by using the super profit method. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इन हिंदी एक फर्म 40,000, 60,000, 80,000 रुपए प्रॉफिट प्रीसीडिंग ईयर्स में अपना कमाती है, रिस्पेक्टिवली जो ईयर्स है। पहले साल 40,000, दूसरे साल 60,000, तीसरे साल 80,000 और कैपिटल उसके द्वारा इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है 5 लाख का। और 5 लाख कैपिटल के ऊपर जो नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न प्रॉफिट का है सेम इंडस्ट्री का, वो 10% और नंबर ऑफ इयर्स गुडविल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए दिया गया है 2 साल का। तो हम सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड से गुडविल को कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? आप देखेंगे सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करेंगे। एवरेज प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू होता है जो औसत हमारा लाभ है, जितने साल का प्रॉफिट दिया रहता है उसको प्लस करके, जोड़ करके और नंबर ऑफ इयर्स जितना साल होता है उससे डिवाइड कर देते हैं। तो यहाँ पर 3 साल का प्रॉफिट है, तीनों साल का प्रॉफिट हमने एक साथ जोड़ा और 3 से डिवाइड किया, वो आया 60,000। पूरा तीनों साल का प्रॉफिट जोड़ने के बाद 1,80,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इक्वल टू 60,000। अब उसके बाद हमने नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट किया। नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू होता है कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड इनटू नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न अपॉन 100। तो नॉर्मल रेट 10% का है, 5 लाख इनटू 10 अपॉन 100 इक्वल टू 50,000। अब ये नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट मिल गया आपको, एवरेज प्रॉफिट भी मिल गया। अब हमें सुपर प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करना है। तो सुपर प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू होता है एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट। एवरेज प्रॉफिट हमने 60,000 कैलकुलेट किया है, 60,000 माइनस 50,000 नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट, हमारा प्रॉफिट जो है वो आ गया 10,000। अब गुडविल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए गुडविल इक्वल टू होता है सुपर प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज। सुपर प्रॉफिट हमारा 10,000 का है और इसमें नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज 2 इयर्स का है, 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करके 20,000 हमारे फर्म की गुडविल होगी बाय सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड। थैंक यू। दिस वन इज द मेथड of calculating the goodwill, value of the goodwill